Hey YouTubers, we're here today to start off a three-part series of this new gun from Harbor Freight. I was in Harbor Freight the other day looking at the spray guns, and right next to the purple gun was this new green gun. I was thinking, whoa, that looks new. And I looked on their website, nobody's reviewed it, nobody has a video up yet, so we're gonna do the first unboxing video on YouTube. So this is gonna be a three-part series. We're gonna unbox this one. We're gonna take a look at what's inside of here. We're going to compare it to the purple gun on the second part. You know, the famous purple gun that everybody uses, 15 bucks, and it sprays just fine. And on the third video, we're gonna compare spraying this gun and the purple gun and the Spectrum professional gun as well. So we're going to see if this one really, if it stacks up. So this one has never been opened, so I don't have any idea what to expect here. It's still got the seal on it. Let's take a look at the specs here. If you want to take a look. 9.5 CFM is what it says that it needs. So that's a little higher than the 6 that it says for the purple gun. And the professionals, I think are around 11 or 13. So I'll have to double check. So let's get started. Let's open this up. Now, similar packaging to the purple gun. Alright, let's open this thing up here. So, we got the usual. We got the same cup. Got your instructions. And we got the gun. Ooh, this is heavy. This is heavier than the purple gun for sure. There's no tool. It did not come with a tool. And if I remember right, the purple gun did come with tools for a bit, and eventually I think they stopped. But we're going to have to use a tool from one of my other guns to open this thing up and see what it looks like on the inside. It says that it's got stainless steel construction as well, and lightweight aluminum. A lightweight aluminum construction is what it says on the box. And it looks like the fan controls on the back of the gun now, not on the side. So let's take a look here. Let's let you get a real good look here at this this gun. So it only comes in green. Looks pretty nice actually. Take a look at it. Focus in on here. It just says HVLP at 29 PSI input. So that's what we're going to use when we give it a test. See the knob? This got to be the fan control here. It's got a lot of adjustment on it. It's going to take. It's a little different. Fan controls on the back.